everybody. Hope everybody's doing well. We're starting a new project today. Thought I'd make a video about it. We're doing 115 feet of board on board, reusing the existing poles. I decided to do a video on this because it seems to be a lot of people's situation. You've got metal poles, you can save you some money, and this process really is a terribly difficult. Mid-range DIYer can do it themselves. Got everything torn down. Immediately gonna start putting up runners. We're gonna leave our PGTs where they are. Made a few slight adjustments, but for the most part, they're in the same location. We're installing a pre-stained cedar product. I typically recommend all my customers to go with this option if you ever plan on getting it stained. You'll save you some money on the stain and you get a deeper, richer stain quality. Ignore that Ryobi saw, we were in an emergency. So we got our runners up. Got everything looking fairly even. I'm gonna go through and connect that side that's down there. But this is that pre-stained cedar product I was talking about. And like I said, I recommend this stuff because you get a much deeper stain. They actually dip these boards and they're soaked in a stain vat instead of just sprayed or wiped on. And this is what that looks like up. So like I said, we're doing board on board. If you've got any questions or you want to do board on board on your property, this is exactly what you need to do. Your bottom gap there is going to be about 4.5 inches. We're going to go through, put that bottom layer on first, and we're going to come back over and put a board over the gap. That's why you call it board on board. This is what everything came out looking like. Added a piece of trim to finish it out. But like I said, that stain looks great. Save time, save money. We got a really happy customer. Stay tuned for the next video.